Hey, what's up, guys? It's me, back in the city, back in my kitchen, here to cook for you one more time. It's Easter weekend. Hooray, it's Easter weekend. A lovely holiday when you think about it. Easter, you know, it's a low pressure holiday. It's not those heavyweight holidays like Christmas or like New Year's where you gotta spend a bunch of money, buy a bunch of gifts, all this importance surrounding it. You know, with Easter, it's kind of like this little light holiday that shows up in the middle of the year, and boom, you got 4 days off. And you get to eat a bunch of chocolate, whatever the hell else you want to eat. Now, you know, that's exactly what we're going to be doing here today. We're going to be eating a massive, delicious, packed Italian Easter pie. Now, some of you probably remember about 2 years ago, I did torta pasqualina, which is the Italian name for Easter pie, and it really went off well. This year, I'm doing one that's even bigger, even bolder, stuffed with even more stuff. And as you can see here in my spread, you know, I got like 1 million ingredients that are going into this thing. It's gonna be decadent, it's gonna be full of fat, full of salt, full of all the things you want for a delicious Easter meal. All right, cool. So let me break it down for you guys and let you know what's going into the Italian Easter pie this time around. We got in front of me 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and also 2 teaspoons of salt. We also have an entire cup of unsalted butter diced up into cubes. We have 3 different kinds of cheese. 3 different kinds of cheese. We got an entire container of ricotta cheese. We got a cup of Parmesan. We have another cup of dry mozzarella. Then we got, like 4 different kinds of meat. We got smoked ham, we got prosciutto, we got salami, we got Italian sausage. We got 5 different eggs. We have roasted red pepper and also like about 2 cups of chopped, diced, and dried spinach. This thing is absolutely going to pop off. It's going to be huge, it's going to be delicious. Buckle your seatbelts, hang on tight, here we go. Okay guys, so the first thing we're going to do is make the crust for the pie, and it's super simple. This is our all-purpose flour, our sugar, our salt. We're going to blend in the cup of butter and add an egg. Real simple, let's go. I'm just gonna pause here for a minute because look how pretty that is. Look how pretty that is. Oh, it looks nice. It's gonna taste good too. Okay, next step.
Quanto è bella, quanto è cara, più la vedo e più mi piace, ma in quel cor non ne son capace, lieve affetto d'inspirar, essa legge studia, impara